Check this out, guys. Look at that. What is up, guys? It's your boy Jackknife 2000. Welcome to another video, my friends. Yes, I did a bunch of videos in the same day, but hey, I was like, I'll make some different videos for it. But today's video is actually really special, guys, because I have finally gotten the actual wide lens for this camera. Now, if you guys know before, I actually did get a newer wide lens, and I decided not to use that as much unless I'm using the micro lens, because of the fact that unfortunately it was just way too freaking bulky, and it was just too much. It's just like, dude, no. But I did want to give it a shot. I did want to give it a try. I like to give everything a try, but I would definitely recommend buying the the 10 to 18 millimeter wide lens angle. Now, you see what it is now. I'm not gonna change where the tripod is located or anything. You'll probably see more over here and more over here. I'm actually really excited to see as well. Now, it's gonna stay the same zoom length and everything. So guys, today guys, we're unboxing the EFS 10/18 millimeter lens. Let's do this. All right, guys, here we go. Now, I did get a good deal on this. I actually paid way less for this than it's supposed to, because I think it's like $289 brand new, and this one has been refurbished. I don't know the circumstances or the history behind this bad boy. All I do know is that it was refurbished. I like popping the plastic on this, and like I said, I've already sprayed this down with Lysol and wiped it down, so I'm not really worried about anything else right now. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take this out. There it is right there, guys. Ah, look at that beautifulness. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and... I might put some like epic music here. Dun, 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 dun. You know how long I've been waiting for this lens, guy. This lens right here will help me make my vlogs a lot better, guys. Seriously and honestly, dude, this lens is the truth, my friends. As you can see here, guys, on the side, it does have autofocus and stabilization, just like the 50 millimeter lens. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is take a peek at the lens, and I want you to see how clean this freaking lens is. Just immaculate. It is literally immaculate, dude. Just seriously, look at that. Not a scratch, not a fingerprint, not anything on that. Look at that, guys. That is just amazing. That's just amazing. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now, you see how it is now, guys, right? You guys see how it is now. We're actually gonna put this bad boy on right now. So when you see it the next time, it's gonna be the widescreen. So look at what you see now. Can't see anything on either side, right? You can't see this lamppost. You can't see anything over here. Let's see what kind of difference it's gonna make. Let's do this. So you're probably thinking, I still can't see anything from either side, right? Well, that's because it's all the way zoomed. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Look at that. And the tripod is literally in the same spot. I'm gonna put a still before and after, but the tripod is literally in the same exact spot, guys. It's nowhere different. It's in the same spot, guys. Now, this is, like I said, zoomed all the way in. Right here. Studio shot, right? Cool, right? Check this out. And I mean, it's awesome. The autofocus is working really well. I'm moving my head like I'm crazy. You can see the desk, you can see the pole and everything. It's just much more wider. You definitely have a much wider angle, okay? And here's the 50. Here's the 50 right here. Here's the 50 right there. There's the 50 right there, guys. And it's always on 18, okay? So, like I said, let's go ahead and bring this back on your boy right there. And autofocus is working well. I mean, it's working really well. It's keeping up with my head. It doesn't care that I'm putting things in between. It's just focused on my face, and it is pretty good. Okay, like honestly, so yeah, for sure. And like I said, this is for more like vlogging. If you want to vlog with this camera, you can. Unfortunately, you may see a small change in the filter because this filter does not work on this particular lens. It's absolutely too small, but you can see what it would look like if it did go on there. But unfortunately it's too small, so it's gonna have to go back on the 55. But yeah, guys, this has been your boy Jack Knight 2000. I want to appreciate, I just want to say thank you guys for coming by, hollering at your boy. More vlogs are coming. I'm getting ready. It's getting ready to happen. Things are happening here, just very slowly, and we're just taking it one day at a time, pretty much. So like I said, come with me. Let's like I said, guys, let's make some memories. Appreciate you guys for being here. And honestly, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace, love, and 3 flowers grease. By the way, guys, leave down in the comment section, do you guys see a difference in the 10 to 18 millimeter, or do you not see a difference? How is the clarity looking? Does it look good? Does it not look good? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. I will see you guys later.